Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing both devices, a good data cable and an updated phone. Plug the cable into the car's USB port, then into your phone. When prompted, allow Android Auto. Once done, make sure the Scorpio N Z4's head unit is set to accept smartphone projection and confirm Bluetooth pairing for contacts and media. This gets the connection handshake started and avoids later permission blocks that would stop projection before it begins. After the initial handshake, focus on authorizing services. Choose Android Auto on the Scorpio screen and accept any prompts on your phone. You need to grant permissions for location, mic, and messages so navigation, voice, and notifications work reliably. If the phone shows a USB mode option, pick file transfer rather than charge only. Also, disable battery saver and restrictors temporarily so navigation stays active. Make these changes now to ensure apps, voice, and media stream smoothly while driving. Complete setup by testing routes, voice assistant, and music controls so you know they respond while moving. Make adjustments in Android Auto settings to set default map, messaging, and audio apps. Confirm steering wheel buttons trigger expected commands. If the Scorpio N Z4 fails to display or disconnects, stop and try a fresh cable, reboot both devices, and clear the Android Auto app cache. That one troubleshooting step, swap cable then reboot, fixes most connection problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.